Hey food lovers, welcome back to another culinary adventure. Today, I'm diving into the vibrant, flavorful world of Djibouti's seafood cuisine. Djibouti, a small but culturally rich country in the Horn of Africa, boasts a unique blend of African, Middle Eastern, and French culinary influences. Ready to spice up your kitchen? Let's get started. First up, Yemeni fish. This dish is a staple in many Djiboutian households and is known for its aromatic spices and tender fish. This dish is a beautiful blend of Yemeni and Djiboutian flavors. The fish is marinated in a mix of spices that include cumin, coriander, and turmeric, giving it a rich and complex flavor profile. Fresh fish, marinated in a tantalizing mix of spices, then grilled to perfection. The grilling process adds a smoky depth to the dish that is simply irresistible. It's all about that smoky, spicy kick. Next, marake kaloun. This dish is a testament to the rich culinary traditions of Djibouti. This stew is a hearty masterpiece. It's a dish that brings comfort and warmth, perfect for a family gathering or a cozy night in. Think tender fish chunks swimming in a rich tomato-based broth with a hint of tamarind. The tamarind adds a tangy twist that balances the richness of the tomato broth. It's like a warm hug from the Indian Ocean. The flavors are deep and satisfying, making it a dish you'll want to make again and again. Now, let's talk about spicy oven-baked fish. This one's a crowd pleaser. It's a dish that's easy to prepare but delivers big on flavor. The fish is coated in a fiery blend of spices, then baked until crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. The baking process locks in the flavors, making each bite a burst of deliciousness. Serve it with a side of fresh salad, and you've got a winner. The crispness of the salad complements the spiciness of the fish perfectly. And finally, fish fafa. This traditional dish is a must-try. It's a dish that has been passed down through generations and holds a special place in Djiboutian cuisine. It's a spicy fish soup, packed with flavor and a bit of heat. The soup is made with a variety of spices and fresh fish, creating a dish that's both hearty and invigorating, perfect for those who like their food with a punch. The heat from the spices is balanced by the freshness of the fish, making it a well-rounded dish. So there you have it, a journey through the rich and diverse seafood cuisine of Djibouti. Each dish tells a story of the country's history and cultural influences. Djibouti's seafood secrets, ready to elevate your culinary game. These recipes are not just meals, they're experiences that bring a piece of Djibouti into your home. Try these recipes and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your culinary creations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious discoveries. Catch you next time. Happy cooking, Jeuhn!